Do you want to get voice chat in Roblox? Let me show you the steps that you need to take to be able to get this. So once you're inside your Roblox account, guys, simply head over to roblox.com and sign in. Then click the settings gear on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Now on the left hand side, guys, if you go to privacy and content restriction, go to communication, you will see that you don't have the voice chat there. And this is because on your settings page, guys, on your account info page, you need to ensure that you verify your age, right? So you want to go ahead and come here where you have your birth date, click on verify my age, and from here you will need to go ahead and upload some kind of a document, right? So you want to go ahead and say begin verification, and from here you will need to use some kind of documentation. So go ahead and proceed, and from here you want to choose whether you want to upload a driver's license, national ID, passport, or residency permit. You can choose whatever. So if I want to do, for example, my residency permit, I can click on that and I can go ahead and I can continue by using the application and continue the process, send an email, etc., etc. You can go ahead and choose any one of those options that you have. Just go ahead and follow through, and once you verify your account, guys, you need to go ahead and sign out. So once everything is completed, you go ahead, you sign out of your account. Once you sign back in, to sign out is super easy. You click the gear on the upper right hand side again and click and sign out. Once you sign back in, all the process is completed, guys. You want to go back over to where you have the privacy and content restriction. Go to the communication section and you will have the voice chat available. Now once you have the voice chat available, guys, and you're inside a game, you will have that option on the upper left hand side where you can easily go ahead and start using the voice chat within your Roblox games. And that's it, guys. It's super easy and super simple.